What's up, guys? In today's video, we're gonna go over how COVID-19 affects life insurance, whether that's life insurance you already have or a new application and the vaccine and all the different questions I'm gonna try and put in this video. So with that, let's just jump right into it. So I'll put chapters in this video, but the questions that I'm gonna answer is, does COVID affect existing life insurance? Will the vaccine affect a new policy that I'm applying for? Is COVID covered under new policies? Does having COVID affect the application? Or does traveling to areas that have been affected by COVID affect my application of life insurance? So with that, let's just get started. Question number one, does it affect existing insurance policies? So if you have an existing policy, does it affect it? Is COVID covered under that policy? Absolutely. COVID is 100% covered. I made another video of how insurance companies can deny claims, and it's very few and far between, and I'll put that video right there. But no, COVID 100% is covered under existing policies. Question number two, will receiving a vaccine or deciding not to take the vaccine affect any application for life insurance? The short answer, not at all, not in the slightest. I'm gonna read a little excerpt from Canada Life, which is one of the life insurance companies in Canada, that they put out regarding the vaccine. So they say, getting the vaccine will not affect your insurance coverage. No one should be afraid and choose not to protect themselves from COVID-19 because they're worried about it affecting their benefits. All of Canada Life's and health insurers are supportive of Canadians receiving government-approved vaccinations to protect themselves from serious illness and death. And the exact same is if you don't take the vaccine, neither of those decisions are going to affect your life insurance application, so you don't need to worry about them. By the way, if you guys are looking for life insurance quotes, you can visit affinitylife.ca and get instant life insurance quotes, and you can apply 100% online. So I'll put that link in the description below. Question number three, is COVID covered under new policies? Absolutely. All forms of death are covered under life insurance. The only exclusion to that is suicide within the first 2 years of the policy, but after that, it's covered. Other than that, whatever you die from, it's gonna be covered under a life insurance contract. Question number four, does having COVID affect a new application for life insurance? Sometimes. It depends on a variety of different factors, the same as if it was any other type of illness or disease that you had contracted, not just COVID, but anything else for that matter. It would affect on the severity of the case, how recently you got it, and how you're recovering. So if you immediately, prior to doing the application, got COVID, and maybe it was a severe case, the insurance company might want to wait a little bit just to see how you recover from the illness, or if there's any long-term side effects that they should be aware of. When you fill out a new application for life insurance, depending on the face amount that you choose, they will ask some questions about COVID and base their decision on these answers. In most cases, it's not that much of a problem. In some cases, depending again on how severe it is, it can cause them to maybe delay the application process for a little bit longer, or it might postpone the application for a few months to see how you recover with the illness. And the last question, does traveling affect my life insurance application? The short answer to this is it depends, and I know you're probably sick of hearing that answer, but it really depends on where you're traveling and for how long you're traveling. But hypothetically, if you are traveling to a country that potentially has a COVID outbreak at the time that you're traveling there, the insurance company could decide to do a little bit more investigation into this, and it could affect the application in that regard. I hope that guys answered all your questions. If you guys have any other questions, just drop it in the comments below and I'll get back to you. And if you guys are enjoying this content, all I ask is that you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.